Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Hotmail two-step verification, your best defense against hackers and unwanted access. It only takes a few minutes and trust me, it's totally worth it. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Outlook login page. You can simply search Outlook login or head straight to the Microsoft 365 website. Once you're there, click on sign in and log in using your Hotmail or Outlook email and password. If your password is something simple like 12345, now is a good time to change it. Create one that's strong using a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special symbols. That's your first line of defense. Once you're logged in, head over to your profile settings. You'll find it by clicking on your profile icon, then selecting My Profile. This is where all your important security options live. Next, click on Security. You'll see a bunch of tools here to help protect your account, but the one we want is two-step verification. Click on it and then follow the prompts to turn it on. Microsoft will now guide you through setting up the second layer of protection. You can choose to receive a verification code by text message or use an authenticator app. Every time you log in, Microsoft will send you a unique code, meaning even if someone gets your password, they can't access your account without that second step. After setting it up, do a quick test, log out, then log back in. Enter your password, check your phone or app for the code, and you're in. That's it. Your account is now way more secure. And just like that, you've successfully enabled two-step verification on your Hotmail account. Your personal info is safer, your inbox is protected, and you can browse with confidence. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Stay secure and see you next time.